Do all wisdom teeth need to be removed? Actually, no. Wisdom teeth usually come in between the ages of 17 and 25, but very often there isn't enough space for them to grow properly. You may need removal if the tooth is impacted, meaning it's stuck inside the bone or gums, or if it's growing at an angle and pushing the tooth in front of it, or if you have repeated pain, swelling, or infection in that area. There is decay in the wisdom tooth or adjacent tooth, then also you need to remove it. Or if it's very difficult to clean, causing food lodgement and bad breath. But remember, not every wisdom tooth need to be removed. If it is fully erupted, properly aligned, and easy to clean, it can often be kept. An X-ray evaluation helps us decide the right time for its removal, because early diagnosis prevents bigger problems later.